The plotter has the following parts: machine head, beam, feeding paper rod, pressing paper rod, left foot and right foot, accessories box, etc. Take out a hexagon socket tool and the long screws from the accessory box. Put a tripod column with a motor on the left side. Pick up the beam and align it with the middle hole of the column, and connect the long screws into the beam through the two mounting holes on the column. The screws only need to be screwed in 1 of 4 for positioning. After they are set, the screws are fixed and tightened. Install the right side. It's the same as that on the left side. Put the machine head on the installed tripod. Align the sheet of metal installation slots on both sides of the machine head with the screws on the column. Put it down, and use the hexagon socket tool to completely fix and lock the screws on both sides. The 3-hole connecting wire of the backside sensor connected to the top joint. The 2-hole connecting wire is connected to the middle joint. And the 3-hole connecting wire of the front sensor is connected to the bottom joint. And please lock that well after connecting. The plot of paper comes out from the bottom towards the machine, and the sides of the paper feed lever with the tabs is passed through the paper tube toward the motor. Loosen the two jammed heads, insert the paper feed rods, and insert them into the left and right paper cylinders. Pay attention to adjusting the two ends of the paper feed rods to expose the same length. Use a hammer to hammer the cardboard head in, and fix the screws. Install the right side. It's the same as that on the left side. Put a paper feed rod into the right side U-shaped seat, and put the left bayonet against the iron block. Remove the sponge, which fixed the hand car set. Check and adjust the alignment of all the pressure rollers with the steel thumbs. Press the handle down. Let the pinch roller lift up. Release the printing paper and pass the paper through the back of the platform. Put the middle of the paper to taut. Press the paper with your hand. Lift the handle and let press the paper roller presses the paper tightly and then releases the printing paper. Put a paper pressure lever into the rear paper feed lever slot and then release the printing paper. Let the paper pressure lever to the bottom of the slot and the paper installed well. Put the hooks of the take-out paper rod well. Put on the take-out paper rod and put on the pressure paper rod. Take out the ink cartridge. Tear up the protective film. Face the ink cartridge holder and gently install it at an angle. After installing it to the end, press down the ink cartridge buckle. Remove the screws. Take out the blade. Pay attention to the sharp tip of the blade. The blade pick is to the left. Be careful and use the screw to fix the blade. Plug in the power supply. Plug in the internet cable. Turn on the machine. If you need to roll the paper, please refer to another video. Press the panel to feed a little paper. Stick the transparent adhesive to the take-out lever from the middle, and then stick the two sides. Filling in a little more paper. Move the paper pressing plate to the edge of the paper, and installation of the whole machine is completed.